This was the best nerf tournament I've ever participated in. I just won the title, the world title, the national title, and everything. Wait, who's here? Bowser, I want a rematch. And I get one. I will shoot. Do it.
Oh no. I forgot to load the gun.
I know, Yoshi. Come on. What? I forgot to load the gun.
Totally forgot to load the gun.
Wait, it's in. I'll get it. Right here. Why won't it go in?
Got to load the gun.
Bowser, this isn't over. This is not over, Bowser.
Forgot to load the gun,
And you know what? It's useless.
Ow! Put your hands in the air like you just don't care.
No.
Yes.
No.
Yes.
You put your hands in the air.
Nope.
You just fell.
Haha.
Go. Gosh darn it, my phone isn't closed. Camera!
Put your hands in the air like you just don't care.
No.
Yeah.
No.
Yeah.
I will shoot you if you don't back off. Are you shooting? Yoshi, your gun, I don't think it's loaded.
Huh?
One down. Let's go. What happened? Yeah, whatever. Where is everybody else? Gotta go find them. You? No. No. So we meet again. Crud. Crud. I forgot to look. Oh my gosh. I gotta go. I gotta go. He almost got me. He almost got me. Bowser, we can take this the easy way, or the hard way. What's wrong? No. No. No, run, you stupid chicken. Ah! He almost shot me. He almost shot me. He almost shot me. He almost shot me. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. Oh my gosh. He can fly! Oh my gosh. You guys are dead. They dead. Oh, here he comes. Come on, don't be a fly hacker. Oh no. Oh, you missed. Don't miss. Okay, gotta reload. Oh, got it. Take a praise, you filthy turtle.
No.
Up the butt. Yes! I already killed you, dude. You're done. Wait, what's that? Hey, I heard there's an ugly rat here. I'm a mouse. You ugly rat.